everybody! I'm so excited! I get to show you the first embellishment kits. These are just strictly embellishment stuff in my Etsy shop. So the first one, in honor of Memorial Day, I will show you, and I've had these for almost a year. And I'm going through stuff, and so I found them. So you will be able to see better pictures in my Etsy shop, but these are already packaged. So you get some eyelets, some baker's twine. You get, I think there's three of the decorated bottle caps. You get some labels and stars, a button, some red and blue paper clips, some sequins, a variety of stars, and these are the stickies that go inside the bottle caps. In case you want to stick them onto something, they are double-sided. So that is what those are. So this is your small package of embellishment stuff. It's inside a Project Life little package. So there's a cup and some bingo and some tickets, a red, white, and blue, or gray, but red, white, and blue ticket. Heck, I'll just stick it. Well, I need to remember to put it, because there's two of each of these. Yeah, I can do this. I think this one, yeah, this one. And then some die cuts over here. You can see there's an enjoy, some banner, ampersand, a happy face. So that's kind of fun. Then this has a label, an index card, some red sparkly, some bling, a bling heart, some blue bling, so red, white, and blue bling, and a bow. It's just a variety of fun things to be able to add to your red, white, and blue paper crafting. So scrapbooking, Project Life, junk journals, whatever it is, you'll be able to add this. So this is, there's a picture holder and picture holder folder, and an envelope. These I had to cut off of the picture, so I kept them. I gave them to you because, you know, I don't throw anything away. A red doily, a blue doily, a postcard, a little miniature postcard note card, and an envelope that's red and blue, and a flag. And this is actually a 19-cent postcard from 1991. It is real. You could go ahead, add the appropriate postage to it, and use it and mail it. But I had that, and I was like, oh, I'll put that in there. So same. This one's a 2-cent postcard or a 2-cent postcard card thing. So there you go. Then, and that was before I had the postcards. A little index card, a bag, a couple of photo mats that are dark blue, and a white doily. So that is one of the embellishment kits. There are two. So, and these will ship internationally. It'll calculate your shipping. I will not be responsible for any duties or extra taxes or any of that stuff. So that is posted as a note in the. So this one is called 3 Generations Blue and Green. And so this one has a chenille stem. You get some envelopes, some tickets, some of the gold medallion things, a couple of slides. you get a package of tags and labels. So there, you get all these. There's a piece of teal colored paper, a tag, and a tag. Inside a little Project Life. We'll put that in and we're done. So you get this doily that is holding this here. And then you get the little green one, a gold label, this little doily, blue, and a blue, regular blue doily, a craft, and a couple of white, and a silver heart, and then a card or a file. This is made like out of file, but it's got the hole. It actually is a heart tag. A couple of these note papers. You get this pretty note card, a blue envelope, and a silver little bag. So continuing, you get a blue index card, a receipt, this cool coin envelope, this bag, and in this bag is stuff. Okay, so in this bag is some heart stickers and a little tag and some little heart bling and some orange and some blue bling. Can't you just see this all being, I mean, this would make an amazing junk journal. Then you get this little card that says 3 generations, and a panel card, one of my favorite things to use. You get 3 of the green photo mats. You get one of these cards that came out of a Recollections photo box. You get one of these, and it's pretty thick. So that is that little thing. So all this inside this rectangle doily, and then you get some, these are vintage buttons. You get a couple of the blue rosebuds. There's blue clothespin. There's an arrow in there. It's teal colored. You get a couple of bronze paper clips. Down here you get a bow and some pearls, and there's something gold in there, and some blue. And then you get some of the flowers and the green flowers that I like to use as leaves. Then you get a piece of really thin jute string, a variety of sequins. There I see some leaves, stars, this funny ovally shape, some flowers. Then here you get a family. You get a big girl and a little girl, and a big boy and a little boy. Looks like maybe two big boys and a little boy. Maybe more than that, because there's another one right there. So you can have a pretty good sized family right there. And then there's some eyelets and some of the little enamel dots, the blue stripy enamel dots. So that is the 3 generations blue and green kit. And again, these are available in my Etsy shop, Dearjuliejulie, all one word. Dearjuliejulie, all one word. The shop is Dearjuliejulie. Dearjuliejulie is written as one word. Okay? So that is what you get in the 3 generations, green and blue. And like I said, those are available in my Etsy shop now while they last. There's 2 of each. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe and have an amazing day. Bye.